Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to make.com using MCP in 2026. So in order to basically connect both of these, you first of all need to come here on Claude.ai. Now over here, when you get access to your dashboard after either sign up or login into your account, you need to hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of customize. Now over here, click on the option of connect your apps. Now here you are going to see all of the applications that you can basically connect with your Claude AI account. So among these, since you want to connect make.com, you just have to simply search for make or make.com. Now when you are able to find it over here, simply click on this plus icon right next to it. Then it is going to redirect you here on the sign in page of make.com. So over here, if you already have an account on make.com, you just have to simply provide the login credentials. If you don't have an account, you can click on the option of sign up and then you can sign up by using any of these options. On the next page, you just have to do nothing but to just simply allow this connection, authenticate or approve it, and then you will be able to easily connect it. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.